class third C, class third C, subject GSC, and page number 80. You see here, page number 80. Now see here, page number 80, and D. This is a D. Unscramble the clues to solve the puzzle. Puzzle is given here. You have to solve this puzzle. These are the words given, and from these you have to select here. It is, so first you see here, make a correct meaning, and then you keep it. So first, it is first it is written. You have to see here, first is written in the downside, means from 6, from this side to this side we have to see. So here first, what is written? MERSUM. What may be correct meaning for word will be there? MERSUM. What will be there? That is summer. That will be summer. So fill here SUMM. You see here ER, summer. This is summer is here. So it is not meaningful word. So it become the meaningful word here. Now second, you see, second here, DOULC. So what will be correct meaning? There cloud, CLOUD. So there will be cloud, CLOU and D. Here it is a meaningful word, cloud. Now third, you see, RNTSOY. Third, RM. There must be M, I think. RM. Here RM. Yes, instead of N, there must be RM. RMTSOY. That may be stormy. STORM. Stormy. So here you can write third, stormy. STORMY. So third will be stormy. And fourth, you see, fourth, all written here, fourth, IRAN. So there will be rain, RAIN. All written here, RAIN. There will be rain. So fourth and fifth, you see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 written here. It is 6 written here. 6. No, first fifth we are writing. Fifth, what is fifth? NIWYD. Fifth, you see, fifth, NIWYD. So there will be WIND, windy. Fifth, windy. You can write in fifth. That is WINDY. There will be windy. Now you can see the sixth. You can see the sixth here. GRSPIN. That is 6, you see. 6 GRSPIN. So there will be SPRING, spring. 6 will be written as spring. SPRING. There will be spring. So sixth is spring. 6 and 6 across it is written. 6 common written here. 6 as across here and 6 is also here. So 6 across, that is the SPRING, spring, and here 6 SNNOWSY, it is written. So it may be SNOWY, 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 snowy. 6 will be snowy. Now see the 7th, ZEEBRE. So ZEEBRE, there may be breeze, BREE, breeze. So there will be BREEZE, breeze. There will be breeze. Breeze, BREEZ, breeze. Now 8th, you see, 8th, it is written here, NSU, there will be SUN, SUN, this will be sun. Now 9th, you see, 9, TAUMNU. So there will be TAUMNU. So there may be last N is there and U here. So there will be AUTMN, autumn. So TAUMNU. So autumn, AUTUMN. So autumn. So in this way you can solve the puzzle. So first you see, that is the summer, second cloud, third stormy, and fourth rain, and fifth the windy, sixth spring, seventh breeze, eighth sun, and ninth autumn. So in this way you can complete the puzzle and write in your notebook. After completing, you can note in the notebook. So it is see page number 80. Page number 80, you see, you can solve it in your the notebook, and then you can write your the copy. So that's for today. Thank you.